is Red Sea International Film
That's
Festival,
it.
4th edition, second appearance. How does it feel? And
Well,
home is the theme.
Well, it feels great. I've taken the color quite literally, as you can see. But it's always great to be part of a film festival. It's a platform which encourages so many artists from around the world. And we celebrate movies. You have movies that probably will not release in your country. You have an opportunity to watch them, debate about them, get inspired by them. So it's always lovely to be here.
Right, we're talking about movies. How can we not speak to you about Ramayana? That's the most important film right now for you. And I'm sure there have been really big takeaways from Ramayana, because that's the biggest lesson for each one of us. What are the biggest takeaways for you?
Well, I think I'll have to have a festival of my own to really answer that question. I'm really grateful, and it's probably the biggest opportunity that an actor can ever get in their life. So I'm very grateful for that. But we still have time for that. We'll speak about that another day.
Right. As Raha's father, and also as someone who belongs to a family with a very rich legacy, and as a superstar who's known for a very unique way of acting and understanding cinema. How do you balance these three roles? These are extremely difficult ones.
I go back to the word gratitude. I get to do what I love. And there's nothing greater than that. And now to be blessed with a baby girl, life's great. I'm constantly touching wood, constantly, I'm becoming more superstitious now. I'm really grateful, grateful to God, grateful that everything is just falling into its place.
Right. And, with every script that you've taken, there's only a unique way of, putting out your emotions. What are those biggest things that you always look into when it comes to a filmmaker, the director that you're working with?
I think it always starts with that the filmmaker has a story to tell. I think that's very important. And then I think it's very instinctive. At certain times you hear a part and it's so far out from what you are. Like Animal, for example. It's when I heard the part, I was like, okay, I'm not this person, but I would love to be a part of this world because it challenges me as an actor. It exposes me to a side of storytelling which probably I would never be able to achieve without the filmmaker, which is Sandeep Reddy Wanga. So as an actor, it's very important that you keep reinventing yourself, keep changing it, surprising yourself. I think that's very important.
And what was the chat happening with Olivia there? Some secrets that you would like to share?
Well, I'm such a big fan of her work, and she's coming to India next year to Recce for her film, and I hope to take her on.
So that's a collaboration happening, and that's something that we would definitely want to see.
Fully, yes.
Yes, thank you so much.